How to create a wavy design such as this in Photoshop. Go to the gradient tool in the tools panel, select that, then go up here and select any of the gradients. Now I'm going to go for a colourful one, a rainbow one. That's part of the legacy gradients, you can find it there. Then go for linear and blend mode of difference and then apply from top to bottom. And you can see that design. Now you can apply it multiple times, you can vary the origin position, you apply it 3, 10, 15 times. And you can build up all kinds of super colourful designs using that. Now if I just go to filter and just apply wave now, I can just do that. It looks great, but it's nicer, I think. Go to the move tool, go to the layers panel, you can find that in the window menu. You can see it's probably locked, so click there. So once you've done that, you can now resize this. Make certain show transform control has been set on, hold down the shift and resize and crunch it up. So you go something like that, maybe smaller, thinner, but you can also resize it, put it in the center, press return. You can also, if you wish, go to layers panel and it's just a layer, so you can just go down to effects, click there, the little FX, go for drop shadow. Now this may be in a different position for you. Select that and you can see you've got this. You can then reposition that and you can set it to 100%, change the distance, spread, etc. Click OK. Now you can apply an effect to this. Now I've kept it here in the center at this point. What I need to do then is go to filter and distort and wave. So I'm going to apply the wave effect to this. Now I've got it in the center purposely. I don't want it cut off. If you put it at the top, it will be cut off along the top. Number of generators set to 1. You can change the wavelength. You make it very compressed there, or you can put it to the max and you get that result. Get for sine, amplitude, you can change that, so you can vary it. I'm just going to go for the max for that. Sine and repeat edge pixels. Click OK and you can see the result. Now you can reposition it up top. So just make certain you go all the way to the top like that. There is a reason, because the thing is, if you try and do it later, you end up having one on top of the other one in the wrong places, which is not always the best of things. Now hold down the Alt Option key and you can drag. Now you don't have to have the same distance each time. You can maybe make it just very subtle drag like that. Just release it and again hold down the Alt Option key and drag again, maybe sometimes further. Now sometimes what happens, you'll find you might end up getting one on top of the other that you don't want. Just go back and again just go down there. It's quite easy to select the wrong one, so just drag down. Make sure you select very near the bottom so you don't accidentally select, so you just drag that. Otherwise it just looks a bit strange, but you might want that effect. It does create some interesting effects itself. And you can drag that down a bit more so you get a nice bit of blue there. And you can of course go and select any of these later as well. You might decide, you know what, that one I want to be slightly more, so you can get some blue in there. So you can drag it up as well, so you can change it. That's the great thing about this, whereas before if you had the old one, you can't do that. This one you can vary it, you can modify it in numerous ways. You can also of course resize it, you can rotate it, create other effects as well, other wave designs. So once you've done that, you've got all your design there. You could leave it like that, but you can also go to layer and you can flatten image. And there it is, complete flattened. And of course what you can do, you can then go to filter and you can apply other effects, pinch, twirl, wave, etc. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.